Welcome to 1535 Pacific. This is a full floor, middle level flat, and it's on Pacific, right between Hyde and Polk, so it's a super central location to all the fun happenings in the Polk Gulch neighborhood. Lots of late night activity and dining. There's an interior landing and hallway which leads to all rooms. It's 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. The front large room is commonly used as the living room, but you could switch it up. The last group used the 4th bedroom, which I'll show you as a living room. And this big room has a bay window, a decorative fireplace with a mirror and mantle, nice hanging light. And it looks down onto Pacific. And it's a little foggy there, but you see a full span of the Golden Gate Bridge. Up towards the Bel Air Tower. High ceilings. It has original softwood floors throughout. There's a central heating system. Bedroom number 1 is in the front. And it has a walk-in closet. Multiple hanging spaces, and hooks and shelves. It's a nice big closet. And also a bay window. And the bay window will show you the view of the Golden Gate Bridge. To the left, the master suite. You see everything's a nice big room for this era. Master suite closet. Then the master bath. It's a stall shower, pedestal sink, and some shelves. Let's just sweep around this room. Onward, the second full bath also has a stall shower. There's a large kind of hall nook here. Bedroom number 3, spacious. It's got double windows that just look out onto a lightwell, so it would be a quieter room. There's a full closet. I know that's hard to see. In this area here, there is a big closet. And if you were to use this as the 4th bedroom, I would assume that would get that closet. And bedroom number 4 is a box beam ceiling, a chandelier. It has a second decorative fireplace with a mirror and shelving. And it also looks out onto another light well, so it would be a nice private room. Back in the hall to the kitchen. The kitchen has a dishwasher, gas stove, side-by-side fridge, tiled counter. Kitchen window looks onto a garden area, which is not part of the rental. And then here, there's a little bit of work in progress, but a new washer and dryer is going to be installed here. So you'll have a brand new stackable washer and dryer. And adjacent to that is another full bath. This bath has a vanity and a green tub, surrounded by tile. If you're interested in leasing this great flat on Pacific, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you. Have a great day.